Good. We are at the gas station with Centerport.
Yep.
There's the bagel place right there. So it's deli.
Yeah.
And there's the Chinese cane right there.
Yeah.
And this is the front car right there. It's our car.
Yeah.
And this is a 357, 397, and 437.
That's how much the gas costs, right?
Yep. And that's a gas station right there. That's gas station.
Yes.
And this is 7-Eleven right there.
Yep, that's a little further up. Okay, you ready?
Yep. And then that's the Honiton. That's we go pick up my brother sometimes at the train station.
Yeah.
Pick him up.
Yes. Okay,
And
now.
then it's the Target. It's the name of the store. We go to Target sometimes.
Yep.
We get haircuts sometimes at the barber shop. We get haircuts sometimes at the barber shop.
Yep. Okay.
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 Okay, so it's an Aquafina.
Yep.
Okay, so we eat with that with tacos. We half water with tacos. Make it half water is always good. Make it half water. We have tacos. Makes it half water is always good. Make it half water.
So it's half water, half Pepsi?
Yep, that's half water is always good. This is enchiladas with Pepsi. It's not a half water, but you mix it half water, it's always good. Mix it half water with Pepsi. It's important you mix it half water, it's always good. Mix it half water.
Okay.
And this is Diet Pepsi with cheesy rice burrito with Diet Pepsi. Make it out of half water, it's always good. Make it half water with that. So we put it, mix it half water. It's good, mix it.
Okay.
And this is half water with barbecue pork with mac and cheese with orange crush. Always put it, mix it half water, it's always good. Make it half water, so always put it, mix it half water.
Okay, what else?
And then exercise, or you can have half water with Gatorade. We have to exercise with Gatorade orange, or you can have half water, you exercise, pour it, mix it half water, so it's good, mix it half water, so you mix it, you exercise. And this is Gatorade fruit punch, or you can have half water, you exercise, pour it, mix it half water, so it's good, make it half water, pour it, you mix it also.
Okay.
And this is Sam packets with ginger ale. Make it half water with Aquafina water. Put it, mix it. Make it half water. So it's good. Mix it half water. Put it, mix it. And this is Pasta Vaso with Mountain Dew. Put it, mix it half water. So it's good. Make it half water with that. We put it, mix it. We mix that.
Okay.
And this is exercise. Mix it half water. This is Pepsi. Make it half water with Aquafina water. Mix it. Also mix it. This is ginger ale. Mix it half water. We exercise. Put it, mix it. This is Mountain Dew, mix it half water, you mix it, you exercise, you mix it half water, mix it together. This is Orange Crush, make it half water, you exercise, mix it half water, Orange Crush, we exercise, make it Aquafina water, mix it bottles, mix it. This is Diet Pepsi, make it half water, we exercise, make it half water, so it's good, you mix it. And then the Bresco's tea has got high fructose corn syrup, we don't get that. It's got high fructose corn syrup, we don't make it half water that with the Bresco's tea. So it's Bresco's tea in the bottles. High fructose corn syrup. That's got high fructose corn syrup. We have to be able to that with the Bresco's tea.
All right, now.
Right. That's good. Nope, dollar bill. Nope, that's your face up. This is the picture. That's face up. Nope, wrong like that. Nope, wrong like that. That's face up. This is a picture. That's face up.
Glad it works.
Face down. Nope. Face down's no good. Face up like the picture. That's face.
All right, so how much is that? $2? What do you
That's
need?
for water. There's no change. This is $2. All right.
And now what?
Okay, that's face down also. Nope, that's not that. This one.
Nope. Nope.
This is a picture. That's face up. Good. Let's get it flats. That's
So it's at 250?
yep, 250. And we need one more. That would be good. Okay. Now we're gonna add Diet Pepsi.
Here you go. Okay, got the money. Now what?
Okay. We're still make sure this will get spilled.
My soda, huh? Thank you.
He's making a video. It's his favorite. It's his favorite thing in the world.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. No problem.
Thank you.
As long as it works.
That's
Yeah.
working.
Make sure with the gas out. Make sure it's good.
All right, you good?
Okay. Now remember, we don't take fives like
No,
that.
no, buddy, we're done.
We don't take the fives.
No, it doesn't take five.
That says $1 bill. That's what it says. $1 bill.
Right?
Yep.
All right, we're
It's
done?
$1 bill only.
All right.